If you are looking to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then this may be one of the best time to buy, because right now the latest exclusive Hostinger offers are running right now. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal, saving as much as up to 85%. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can save up to 95% off. So make sure to click on the link in the description to land this on this special Hostinger discount page. Once you land on exclusive Hostinger page, now you can see your 30 days money back guarantees over here. Simply select the claim deal over here. Once you select the claim deal, you will be directly redirected to these plans, and I'm going to tell you how you can save as much as up to 95% off. For those who don't know, I've been using Hostinger from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good. And because they offer you 30 days money back guarantee, which is why I recommend everyone to get Hostinger hosting. And I am here with a special exclusive discount link for my audience. So simply click the discount link and directly land on all of these plans. Now you can claim the discount on any of the Hostinger plan, but I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions. For instance, if you just need up to three websites, you can go with the premium plan. With business plan, you can host up to 50 websites, and with the cloud startup plan, you can host up to 100 websites, but it's slightly expensive. Now I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% on Hostinger plan. So simply select the choose plan with any of the plan. Ideally, you're going to get the most discount on the premium or business plan, but the cloud startup is slightly expensive. So my recommendation is to go with either of the premium or the business plan to take the maximum discount benefit on Hostinger. So simply select the choose plan with your preferred plan to get the maximum possible discount at Hostinger. So once you select the choose plan, you will be landed over here. See your order summary over here, and now select your billing period. Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods. You can choose any of the Hostinger billing period, but if you ask my recommendation is to offer the 48 months or 24 months, because these are special exclusive prices for my audience, and I want you guys to take the maximum benefit of Hostinger. So select the 48 months or 24 or 12 months to get the maximum possible discount, because these prices won't appear again. After you select your billing period, you can see you're getting free domain plus 2 or 3 months extra free with your hosting. Now you can claim your free domain right now over here or later on through your Hostinger control panel as well. I'm going to show you, just to show you an example on how you can claim your free domain. As you can see, it's a free domain valid for the first year. The free domain is valid only for the first year, so you can simply claim over here right now. After this, I'm not claiming you, I'm just showing you as an example. Now you can see your order summary over here. Now you're getting 48 months at 85% off. At Hostinger, you are getting 3 extra months free. So do the maths. You are getting 3 months in addition to 85% off. You are also getting free domain privacy protection as well. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing Hostinger coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video with a special discount link of Hostinger. So you can see you apply it, and you are going to get a further 10% discount on already running discount deal. So it's more than 95% now. There is another coupon code as well for Hostinger, so you can use either of the Hostinger coupon code to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So you can see your price got a further discount at Hostinger. So you can use either of the coupon code at Hostinger to get this amazing discounted prices. Now the 30 days money back guarantee is also valid, and that is valid on all of the plans. Now simply select the continue to grab this amazing deal at Hostinger. So once you select the continue, you will be landed to the last part. And before you pay anything at Hostinger, I recommend you to check your order summary. Is everything all right and as per your demand? And then after this, write your billing details at Hostinger. Once you write your billing details at Hostinger, simply select the continue and move on to the last part at Hostinger. So Hostinger offer you variety payment method. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay China, Alipay Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payments. So you can see they offer you even crypto payments as well. So you can use either of the payment method plan as per your convenience. So let's say we're going to credit card, write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment, and within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount at Hostinger. So grab these amazing Hostinger deals by clicking on the link in the description. So good luck and using either of the coupon codes.